At a time here. Ooh, they were lucky that wasn't turned over. Anthony Edwards, that time he does finish.
Anthony Edwards, one of the most dynamic players in the NBA, and as Steve Kerr has said, he is the man for Team USA and for the future of the NBA, one of the budding superstars in the NBA. What Anthony Edwards has, of course, he's athletic, he's talented, he's gifted, but he has fearlessness, ultimate fearlessness. So I got to tell you this story, how I realized Anthony Edwards was the real deal. I used to do a lot of off-season NBA training for Wasserman Agency and this gym in Santa Monica. We'd have NBA stars coming in, all-stars, to play pickup in the off-season. And what you have to know about these games are they are extremely intense. You don't want to put somebody just random in a game. So this day, one of the agents told me that there's a high school player coming. And I was like, you don't put high school players in with these NBA stars. And he told me, put them in the game, put them in the pickup game. I said, no, we can't mess up these games for these NBA stars. We're not going to have this. He's like, put him in the game. So we made teams, and I started him up on the bench of one of the teams. And as the guys got a little tired, we had to sub in. So I subbed this high school kid in. In the first play, the very first play when he was in the pickup game, he got an outlet pass at half court, took about 2-3 dribbles max, and just took off like you are seeing in this clip and hammered it on two NBA superstars. I will not name names here to save face for that, but he dunked hard, and not just that, he stared them down afterwards. 16 years old at the time, a junior in high school. I looked over at the agent. He smiled and said, yeah, that's Anthony Edwards, future #1 draft pick in the NBA. So Anthony had it then. He has fearlessness, not going into any game versus anybody thinking that they're better than him or he's not going to take it at their head. Fearlessness with an attack mentality. It's a big separator. It's one thing that I tell NBA players a lot that I work with, the attack mentality. Attack downhill, attack, attack, attack. Just having that mentality. Couple that with fearlessness of Anthony Edwards, and this is what you get. This guy's ceiling is just so unlimited, and he's going to continue to dominate the NBA.